Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Get ready to elevate your home entertainment experience like never before with the Samsung Q990F 11.1.4 ch Q-Series subwoofer plus rear speaker. This isn't just a sound system. It's an immersive journey that will take you to the heart of the action, whether you're watching your favorite movie, playing an intense game, or simply enjoying music. Let's dive right into one of the most impressive features of the Samsung Q990F, its ability to deliver fully immersive, cinematic audio that surrounds you from all directions. With 11 front and surround channels, including rear speakers, 1 subwoofer channel, and 4 up-firing channels, you're not just hearing the sound, you're living it. Imagine being in the middle of a battle scene, with bullets flying from every direction, the rumble of the subwoofer beneath you, and the clear, crisp sound of commands and explosions all around. This level of immersion is what makes the Samsung Q990F stand out, turning your living room into a cinema and making every moment feel more real. Another groundbreaking feature of the Samsung Q990F is its legendary 3D sound capability, courtesy of Dolby Atmos. This technology allows you to experience sound not just from the sides, but also from above, creating a truly three-dimensional audio experience. The best part? You don't need a maze of cables to achieve this. With wireless connectivity, you can enjoy Dolby Atmos 3D sound without the clutter, making your setup not only sound amazing, but also look sleek and modern. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or playing a game, the ability to hear distinct beats and pulses from all directions, including above, enhances the experience, drawing you deeper into the action. The Samsung Q990F also showcases the power of collaboration between Samsung's TV and soundbar speakers through Q-Symphony. This innovative technology allows the TV speakers and soundbar to work together seamlessly, creating a more robust and nuanced sound experience. For those with compatible AI TVs, the audio is further enhanced for even greater clarity, making dialogue clearer and sound effects more precise. This means you get to enjoy your favorite shows and movies with a depth of sound that's unmatched, bringing out the best in every scene, from the softest whisper to the loudest explosion. One of the most practical and impressive features of the Samsung Q990F is its ability to calibrate sound perfectly for your space using the soundbar's mic. This means that regardless of the layout of your room, the soundbar can analyze the space and adjust the audio output for optimal performance. It even optimizes the bass for clear sound and immersion, ensuring that every note, every beat, and every sound effect is delivered with clarity and precision. This feature is a game changer for anyone who's struggled with getting the perfect sound in their unique space, eliminating the guesswork and ensuring that your entertainment experience is always at its best. In conclusion, the Samsung Q990F 11.1.4 ch Q-Series subwoofer plus rear speaker is more than just a sound system. It's a gateway to a new world of immersive entertainment. With its fully immersive audio, legendary 3D sound, collaborative TV and soundbar technology, and adaptive sound calibration, it's the perfect addition to any home. Whether you're a gamer, a movie buff, or someone who loves music, this system is designed to elevate your experience, drawing you in and refusing to let go. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Samsung Q990F and discover a whole new dimension of sound. Trust me, once you experience it, there's no going back. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.